Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV. In this channel, what I teach basically, I teach affiliate marketing, how to make money online. Are you a Nigerian or a Ghanaian who wants to make money online but you are not making money online? Anyway, I have good news to tell you. That is why it is very important for you to stick to the end of this video for you to know what to do. You see, a lot of people who are into affiliate marketing are not making money via affiliate marketing because they lack the basic understanding what affiliate marketing is. Believe me, I can tell you from my own personal experience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Namdi James. I am a content creator, a digital marketer, and online business researcher. Now, what do I let me repeat myself again. A lot of people who are into affiliate marketing are not actually making money because they lack what affiliate marketing is. Because when you lack the basic foundation of what affiliate marketing is, then you are not going to make money. Believe me, I can tell you from my own personal experience. You see, about 2 years ago, when I was so inquisitive, I wanted to know what affiliate marketing is. I was so zealous about it. So I met someone. And unfortunately for me, the person I met was not willing to teach. So what the person told me that affiliate marketing is all, what the person told me, the person that I contacted, I paid him huge amount of money because I was so inquisitive to learn. I told him that, he told me that affiliate marketing, that before I start affiliate marketing, that I must have a ClickBank account, I think Digistore account. So he gave me the wrong mindset. He gave me the wrong mindset. Then I told him, okay, now, how do I open up a ClickBank account? He told me that I must have someone that stays in abroad. I have to open a ClickBank account for me and Digistore. That's what he told me. That was about 2 years ago. And then I was new. I don't know what affiliate marketing is. I wasn't so friendly with YouTube. So when he told me this thing, all the zeal in me went down because I didn't know what to do. Now the question is, what is affiliate marketing? You know, I'm not saying ClickBank or Digistore. You know, ClickBank, Digistore is an affiliate network. But the truth of the matter is, like right now, I am living in Nigeria. The truth of the matter is, ClickBank, Digistore, they do not accept people from Nigeria. So what do? So a lot of people, when I go to YouTube, so I saw a lot of video. People think that affiliate marketing is ClickBank or Digistore. No. I'm not disputing. ClickBank, Digistore is one of the best. I think they are one of the. When it comes to ranking, they are one of the best affiliate network we have. But what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means promoting someone's product. A product can be in the form of goods and services. When a sales is being made through your own affiliate link, a commission is being paid to you. That is what affiliate marketing is. So it doesn't matter if you have a ClickBank account, if you have a Digistore account. No, there are so many affiliate programs all over the world that you can start promoting. There are so many of them. I'm telling you, we have Warrior Plus, we have JBZoo, we have A4D, we have Above All Offer. Here in Nigeria, we have Jumia, we have Konga. That is what affiliate marketing is. You have to start, since ClickBank does not accept people from Nigeria. There are so many affiliate programs, the one I just mentioned. You can start from there. You know, people don't understand this thing. I'm telling you, people don't understand this thing. That is what affiliate marketing means. You have to promote someone's product and the commission is being paid to you. Simple. You know, people think that affiliate marketing is ClickBank. No, ClickBank is wonderful. I love that platform. It's wonderful. It's cool. That is why in this video, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to take affiliate marketing from the scratch. Believe me, I will take affiliate marketing from the scratch. That is why it is important for you to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that anytime I drop awesome video like this, you will be the first person to be notified. So that is what affiliate marketing is. Here in Nigeria, we have Jumia, we have Konga. You can start promoting. You know, people are claiming that sometimes when I go to YouTube, people are saying, I saw a lot of videos, all those things are BS. First and foremost, I just want to thank my mentor. His name is Gerard Ome. He has this YouTube channel, Online TV Hustle. The guy was the guy that actually taught me what affiliate marketing is, because all this while, for the past 2 years, I thought that affiliate marketing is clickbank. I thought that affiliate marketing is Digistore. I'm not disputing it. I'm not saying that clickbank is not good. Clickbank is wonderful. It's a very wonderful platform. Clickbank is just an affiliate network. Understand? Digistore is an affiliate network, but they don't accept people from Nigeria. They don't accept people from Africa. Majority of African countries, Clickbank does not accept them. But when you look around, there are so many there are so many independent affiliate programs that you can start promoting and begin to make commission that accept people from where you are. Understand? That is why in this channel, and believe me, in this channel, in Rich Concept TV, I'm going to take affiliate marketing from the scratch. I'm going to take it. I will take you from the book. I will take you from the hand, and from A to Z. I will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. You see, people are not successful in affiliate marketing because they don't have that basic understanding. They don't have that basic knowledge. They don't have that basic information that ones need to excel. Even the Bible even said it. When the foundation is destroyed, the righteous man can do nothing. That is why it is very, very important for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I drop awesome video like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much. Don't remember, it's James. I love you. Bye.